Hi guys, Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 2, Lesson 29. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to solve subtraction problems that take from 10. So we're going to be taking from 10. So looking at this, it's 14 minus 6 equals blank. So we know that we are going to first do the t number, our whole, the 10 way. We know that 14 is 10, 4. So we're going to take 6 from 10. So if we take 6 from 10, we know there's 4 left. Because 4 and 6, 6 and 4, making 10 fly out the door. We know that 4 and 6 are 10 buddies. So if we take 6 from 10, we know 4 will be left. So our first thing that we're going to do is 10. We're going to show how we took away from 10. So we have 10 minus 6 equals 4. Now we're going to add our leftovers, which is 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So 4 plus 4 equals 8. So that means that 14 minus 6 equals 8. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.